Life is full of surprises. We never know when we're just going to be innocently eating our dinner and our fridge stops working, or when your freezer will decide to pack up and go on an extended vacation. Unfortunately, we can't predict when disaster will strike. The good news: we can restore your refrigerator back to its former glory. Refrigerator Repair is your new allies and experts in local refrigerator repair. Equipped with every tool imaginable to put a smile back on your face and a spring back in the step of your fridge. From refrigerators to freezers to ice makers and beyond, our diverse experience and vast knowledge speaks for itself. We offer same-day service should an emergency call our name, and we promise to provide the most reasonable quote in the industry with no hidden cost or unnecessary extras. These are some of our top service areas nationwide: Dallas, Phoenix, Jacksonville, Chicago, Houston, Columbus, Los Angeles, Atlanta, Miami, Nashville, New York, San Francisco, Las Vegas, San Diego, Milwaukee, Arlington, and more. So don't beat around the bush. Get straight to the point and get your refrigerator back into action today.